Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 15 Pro, troubleshooting an No Wi-Fi problem. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Disconnect all flex from the motherboard. Place the motherboard to a layered heating system to disassemble the sandwich motherboard. After separation, cleaning the layered connectors. Now we are going to the microscopic view. Applying soldering paste through a soldering iron on both layers. Again, place it in a layered heating system to assemble the sandwich motherboard. Assembling the phone. Testing the phone. Wi-Fi is working normally. And that's it. You've successfully repaired the iPhone 15 Wi-Fi problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.